Hi folks, Richard Fontenay here. Now, thank you for checking out my product review. Now, before we get started, I invite you to work with my internet coach to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month. Yeah, that's $10,000 a month. Now, if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. Now let's get back to the review. You can grab the product from the second link in that description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 4 exceptional bonuses that I have been able to snag from my coach, Virgil Downs. The first bonus shows you how to supercharge your Make Money Online business with over 12,000 free traffic sources, and you get them every Friday. Grab it and you'll reach your online income goals quickly and easily. The second bonus is a highly prized product that shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr. Now, when you get an order for a high value gig, for example, you buy the gig from someone else on Fiverr for a much lower price, and you deliver that to your buyer. And you pocket the difference in the process. The third bonus, you will learn how to create a passive income. And this is an important point. It's a recurring passive income, and you can do it with ease. And the fourth bonus will allow you to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system. It'll show you how to earn up to $186 today in just 3 simple steps. And you can do that without spending a lot of time, 15 minutes daily to run the entire system. Now, you receive a done-for-you, high-converting website, and then all you have to do is turn on the traffic source. Now, let's get back to the review. The vendor for this product is Nelson Long. He's an elite Warrior Plus vendor with several outstanding products to his credit. In a nutshell, this product is billed as the ultimate self-help bundle. It is a curated collection of 500 timeless self-help ebooks from the golden era, and it's now available with full PLR rights. Now, there are 4 things you should know about this product. 1, this bundle covers all top high in-demand self-help categories, including motivation, psychology, business, leadership, health, wellness, spirituality, and many more. It's completely free from copyright restrictions, and you can use them to make 100% profit. And you can use them to enter the billion-dollar self-help niche. Now, you can use this product in many ways. You can create your own ebooks, blog posts, online courses, webinars, podcasts, YouTube videos, social media posts, and email newsletters. You can create products such as workbooks, audiobooks, merchandise, mobile apps, interactive ebooks, and membership sites. You can brand them as your own, repurpose them for affiliate marketing, and bundle them for your own consulting services. And you can use them as a basis for AI tools, virtual workshops, and public speaking. I know I've used ebooks for this purpose on many occasions. The sales funnel goes like this. The front end for the Self-Revolution is $22.70. Now, there's several OTOs. OTO 1 is a self-help or the Self Revolution Max upgrade for $49. OTO2 is a motivational videos combo for $39. OTO3 is digital planner blowout combo for $39. OTO4 is a timeless ebooks combo for $39. And OTO5 is children ebooks combo for $49. And OTO6 is a BPS special offer for $147. Now, watch out for the downsells, because you'll save some money, but you'll get less product. I always recommend that you invest fully in a product such as this. You want to know more? Well, click the second link below and get the full story. And oh yes, before I go, check out how to earn $10,000 monthly in that first link below. Now that's $10,000 monthly. Check it out in the first link below. And don't forget my bonuses. Supercharge your online e-business and get access to free traffic. It'll show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. It'll show you how to gain reoccurring income online with relative ease. And it'll show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system.